Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 9th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to hop on here and shoot a quick weekly payment proof video. Alright, those of you in LiveGood know that Thursdays are paydays for us. And as you can see right here, I got paid today $139.50. And this is for pay period January 28th through February 3rd. So I'm just going to click on this and show you the breakdown. Alright, so here you can see that the membership referral bonus was $27.50. And I'm going to click on detailed view and show you how it all breaks down. Again, I'm getting paid as a silver member. I haven't made it to gold yet, but I'm on my way. I had one personal referral in this past pay period. So I got $5 from them. And then you can see here on level 2, I got $1. And then level 3 and 4, I've got 50 cents on each of these people. Total of $27.50. And then down here, the affiliate referral bonus, I made $112, and I'll show you the detailed view here. All right, I made 20 on my personal referral, $1 on all the level 2s here, and then $2 on all the level 3 and 4s. Alright, so that equals $112 for a total of $139.50. Alright, so I'll just whip out the calculator here. Alright, we'll start down here at the $25. Plus 200, plus 165, plus 304.50, plus 247.50, plus 239.60, plus 1917 plus 139.50 gives me a grand total of $1,340.27 I've made since I've been a member of LiveGood. All right, I joined back on December 21st, and I love everything about this company. I've been taking the products. I joined on December 21st. I placed my first order. You can see right here. I'm going to show you this. Alright, so right here you can see December 21st I joined. I paid the $49.95. The very next day, and this was close to midnight, right? So the very next morning, alright, so this is a couple hours after I joined. You can see this, 12:52 in the morning on the 22nd. I ordered my first products, okay? They arrived and I started taking them on December 28th. I got the Maximum Energy Pack. So I started drinking the organic coffee, the essential aminos, the super reds, and the super greens. I've been taking them every single day since December 28th. I've lost weight, which I still have to do a video about. I have a lot of energy. I'm super focused, and I can't say enough good things about this company and the products. All right, you can see here I placed another order on January 20th, and I ordered the energy pack, and then I got my wife the skincare pack and some CBD oil. And then on the 21st, the day that my 1 month renewal was going to kick in, I upgraded and I got the $99.95 membership. So my membership is good, as you can see right here, all the way through January 21st of 2024. All right, so I am fully committed to this company. I love the products. I want to, I'm really going to kick it into gear and get more people joined up with this in the next month or so, and just super happy to be a part of this. I'm very blessed and honored to be a part of this, because this is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, folks. All right, you can see right here our next cutoff date is tonight, so you have until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to lock in your position in our matrix, okay? So if you're a pre-enrollee or you haven't enrolled yet, then I highly recommend you do so before 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. This will ensure that you get the best possible position in our matrix. All right, so if you have any questions about any of this, leave them in the comments section below. If you're interested in learning more about this business, click the link in the description box. It'll take you over to a page that looks just like this. Right, we have a 5-minute and 55-second video to watch here that explains everything you need to know. You can pre-enroll right here by entering your first and last name and email address, and then clicking reserve my position now. This is free to lock in your position, and you can opt out anytime. Now if you want to join, it is a one-time $40 affiliate fee That gives you your back office and all the marketing material that you need to start your business. Then it's $9.95 per month. So your first payment would be $49.95, and then each month after that is $9.95. We also have a yearly subscription, which is $99.95. You save $20. All right. So that's it. This company's on fire. We have over 1,000 people joining this every single day. We have about 25,000 or so people in the company already. It's predicted to be at over 1 million by the end of this year. So there's no better time to join than now, folks. You can see that if you come in here, put some effort into this, spend a little bit of time on this each day, you can build up an income with this, okay? All right, so on top of the $1,340.27 I've made, I'm also building a monthly residual income. All right, that's well over $100 now. So there's no better place to be in 2023. All right, so again, if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. If you find value in any of them, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.